anyone to feel undermined or shortchanged in this process. In our company's process and how we guide business owners, it's set up to be like a catch-all, whether you are a seasoned owner or you are part of the team. I'm Margot Mastery, your heartfelt CFO, and I want to talk about how the playbook works, more like in motion or like in a flow. So lots of times when people have a team, what happens is that you can have a team member who just agrees to everything, and then they have tasks that really don't belong to them or don't suit them. So what'll end up happening with that member is that he has tasks that really belong possibly to a lower level person, and he could be overwhelmed with extra tasks because he just simply doesn't know how to say no. Ever have an employee like that? I know I did and do. And it's a task and it's a skill to really coach your group on those types of things, because your business will flourish as well as your team when you have that ability to connect with them on that level. So what I want to share with you is that in this playbook, what we're talking about, it's really figuring out the steps and the strategies to make it work. Now, if you decide to call me and want to work together, we actually craft that plan for you and really make that hyper focus to your business. We really zoom in on where the business needs that growth, and that's part of the outsourced services that will support you in your journey. So if you're looking to do the playbook on your own and you want to just take that step, or you're not really sure what to do, I want you to see how you're spreading things across your team. Are they having the right tasks? Do you feel that somebody has too many tasks or too little tasks, that you need to spread it out a little bit differently? Ask your team to literally just jot down on a piece of paper the tasks that they do every day, and that's going to be able to help you see really exactly where they are. I find that people don't even know what they're doing all day, and then the day is over, and then they're looking at the daily to-dos and didn't realize their accomplishments and didn't even get access to do it because they're getting lost in all of these types of things. So let's start this playbook together. Write in the comments below where you're at with that so that I can help you and see where you are and guide you across this journey. As always, any questions, let me know, and I look forward to talking to you soon.